Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how to control and display your Android device into your PC. So what you're gonna need is an application called SCRCPY. You can download it from this link. It is a free and open source application to control Android device connected via USB cable or wirelessly. So here is files for our application. You can also download it for Linux or MacOS operating system. It is very easy to use and control any Android device. So in order to run this application, it requires at least Android 5.0 and ADB debugging enabled on the Android device. On some devices you also need to enable an additional option to control it using keyboard and mouse. I'm going to download this application for my 64-bit Windows 10 operating system. So I have to download this zip file. Once download completed, go to the directory or folder where actually you have downloaded this application. Now we have to unzip this file. I'm going to extract files here. Now our application is ready to run. You just need to double click on scrcpy.exe file and it is going to display my device which is connected via USB cable. Now I can easily manage and control my Android devices. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification about my new hacking and cyber security related videos. So thanks for watching and see you in next video.